In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic Elementor responsive section with text. Let's start from your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Pages option and click it. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to add your new section. When you hover your mouse over that page title, you'll see several options appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page in the Elementor editor. Once Elementor has loaded, you'll see the main editing area in the center. Look for the area that says Drag Widget here. Just above that, there are a few icons. Click the plus icon to add a new section. From the layout options, choose the Flexbox structure and select a single column layout. As soon as you choose it, the section settings will appear in the left panel. Here, you can customize the section. For now, switch to the Advanced tab, then scroll until you see the padding controls. You'll see a small chain icon next to the padding values. Click that chain icon to unlink the values so each side can be set independently. Set a padding value for the top and bottom only. For example, you might use something around 40 pixels as a starting point for mobile and up to around 80 pixels for desktop. This extra space helps your text breathe and keeps it readable on all devices. Next, let's add your text. In the middle area, click the plus icon inside your new section. In the left panel, you'll see a list of widgets. Choose either a heading widget if you want a title, or a text editor widget if you want a paragraph of text. Drag it into your column. Then, in the left panel, edit the content. Type in your heading or your paragraph and adjust any basic options you need. When the content is in place, switch to the Style tab for that widget. Here you can control typography, colors, and more. Notice that many of the settings have small device icons on their right side, such as desktop, tablet, or mobile. These let you set different values for each device type. Click the icon and choose the device you want to adjust, so you can fine-tune how the text looks on different screens. You'll see similar responsive icons in the Advanced tab as well. Now, use the responsive preview icons at the bottom of the Elementor panel to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. For each view, adjust your font size so it's smaller and more comfortable to read on mobile, and possibly larger on desktop. Check the alignment too. Centered text often works well on smaller screens. Finally, review your spacing, both margin and padding, so the section doesn't feel cramped or overly spread out on any device. When you're happy with how everything looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile, go to the bottom or top right corner of the Elementor interface and click Update or Publish if this is a new page. Your responsive text section is now live and ready for visitors on any device.